The iPhone 17 Pro has become a hot topic even though the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro were released only recently. Rumors and leaks suggest Apple is working on two new models for its next generation of iPhones, the iPhone 17 Air and the iPhone 17 Pro. Both models are expected to introduce major design changes, with the Pro model getting the most attention for its bold updates. Starting with the iPhone 17 Air, it's rumored to be the thinnest iPhone ever created, with a body that's just 5 to 6 millimeters thick. Apple plans to use aluminum instead of stainless steel or titanium for the Air, making it lighter and potentially more affordable than other iPhones. However, this slim design comes with compromises. The Air will have only one speaker on the earpiece instead of the usual two, and it will feature a single rear camera, which is a significant departure for Apple, as most iPhones now come with multi-camera setups for advanced photography. Additionally, the Air is expected to use Apple's own 5G chip but won't support millimeter wave 5G, limiting access to the fastest 5G speeds. In the US and possibly other countries, the Air will only support eSIM technology, completely removing the SIM card tray. Its smaller size also means a smaller battery, though it's unclear how this will affect performance. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to be unveiled in September 2025, but its slim, lightweight design and reduced features may appeal more to users looking for simplicity and affordability. The real star of the show, however, is the iPhone 17 Pro, along with its larger sibling, the Pro Max. Apple is reportedly planning one of the biggest redesigns for the Pro lineup in years, making these models stand out dramatically from their predecessors. Like the Air, the Pro models will switch to an aluminum body instead of stainless steel or titanium, which will make them significantly lighter than previous Pro models, a welcome change for users who find current Pro iPhones too heavy. But it's the rear camera module that's generating the most buzz. Instead of the traditional 3D glass design, the iPhone 17 Pro's camera module is rumored to be rectangular and made of aluminum, creating a brand new look that is both sleek and modern. This change is expected to draw a lot of attention, as Apple hasn't made such a drastic change to its camera design in years. While the top part of the phone's back will be aluminum for the camera area, the lower portion will still feature glass to allow wireless charging, preserving this convenient feature. The iPhone 17 Pro will likely include other enhancements as well, but the details remain scarce. With the Pro models, Apple usually focuses on delivering the best performance, advanced photography features, and premium build quality, so fans are expecting a lot from this redesign. These updates could redefine the Pro series and set it apart not just from the iPhone 17 Air, but also from previous Pro models, offering a fresh take on what a high-end iPhone can look like. Whether it's the lighter body, the bold new camera design, or potential improvements in processing power and display quality, the iPhone 17 Pro could become a favorite among tech enthusiasts and photographers alike. While the rumors are exciting, they also spark questions. Are users ready for such significant changes, especially in the Pro lineup? Will the new design and materials win over fans who are used to the durability and feel of stainless steel or titanium? And for the iPhone 17 Air, will the simplicity of a single camera and reduced features appeal to users who prioritize affordability, or will it feel like too much of a downgrade? As we wait for the official release in September 2025, these rumors give us a glimpse into Apple's vision for the future of the iPhone, and it's fascinating to imagine how these changes will shape the user experience.